Welcome to our channel. If you need to remove LinkedIn connections, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your professional network effectively. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com, then log in with your account credentials. Step 2. Click on the My Network icon at the top of the page to access your connections. Step 3. Select See All Connections to view your complete list of LinkedIn contacts. Step 4. Find the connection you want to remove and click the 3 dots next to their name. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, select Remove Connection. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm this action. Step 6. Click Remove to confirm that you want to disconnect from this person. Step 7. Repeat this process for any additional connections you wish to remove from your network. Step 8. Note that removed connections will not be notified of the disconnection, but they may notice you are no longer connected if they check. Step 9. Consider being selective about removing connections, as rebuilding your network takes time and effort. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.